Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caters. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a splitter to your propane tank so that you can run multiple propane devices off of one propane tank. And it's really easy, just like you're hooking up your grill. Just go ahead and put your LCC adapter on to the propane tank. So now, as you can see, you're ready to hook up your grill or your burner same way you would to the propane tank, to the shutoff valve of the propane tank. Just hook it up the exact same way. Now you're ready to run multiple devices. And just one thing that I want to point out real quick is when you install or hook up your grill or whatever, and you do both of them, just make sure afterwards, because it's going to move a little bit, just to hand tighten the main LCC here that's attached to the propane tank. So just do that. But anyways, it's real simple. That's how you install a Y splitter to a propane tank. Please be sure to check out some more of our videos. Subscribe to our channel. Give this video a like. We'd really appreciate that. Once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caterers, and this is how you install a splitter on a propane tank. And thank you very much for watching.